Hi, I just wanted to kind of go over DreamBox and how to log in and what the daily activities that you'll be doing and what the expectation for the week is. So this is something that is free that I ordered for you guys. And what you will do is I will send you a login with a URL and it will bring you to this site right here. And whenever you are on this website, you will type in your login. So I'm just going to use another student's. So whenever you log in, you'll see a screen like this. And these are all different lessons. Okay, so there's multiple lessons. The only lessons that I want you to be doing are the ones that have this little calendar on it, because that means that I assigned this to you, and that means that it's from your MAP score. So whatever your MAP score, the test, the benchmark test that you guys took a couple weeks ago, whatever it said that you needed the most help in, that's what I assigned you in this. The expectation is that you are doing one lesson every day. Now, you can still access it, and you might not see an assignment complete box, but you need to make sure that you see that, because that tells me that you finished it. Now each lesson should take you about 30 to 45 minutes, maybe even longer, depending which skill it is and if you need help. At the very end of the lesson, you will see something that says this. It'll look like this, and it'll say assignment complete. That means that you fully completed that assignment, and that is what I want to see, because if you only half do it, it's not really helping you. I am wanting an assignment every single day. So Monday through Friday, I want an assignment. Now, I only want you doing these ones right here that have this little calendar on it. It should, so this student, after he finishes this assignment, it should automatically give him another one that has this calendar. If it does not, you need to contact me so that I can get it fixed, because I'm new to this, but I think it's going to really help with helping with math. Now, let's say that you're in a lesson and you do not understand something. This little question mark right here, if you hover over it, it says help. That will help you, and I think it kind of goes through and teaches it to you. Also, if you click in there, I'm going to go ahead and just pick a random one. Whenever you go into it, it's going to give you instructions on what to do.
Use the move by one buttons or the arrow keys.
Okay, so this is giving you instructions on how to do whatever it wants you to do. So even up here, it will read it to you.
Product of 24 times 23.
Okay, so let's say this student doesn't know how to do it, okay? If you click this is the hint button.
This base array represents the product of 20 and 20. Adjust the array to represent the product, 24 and 23. Select the hint button again to have the array started for you.
So again, that's going to give them a hint. This button will kind of help them through this problem to get them started. That's why I say it might take some 30 minutes, it takes some 45 minutes,
Press
or maybe an hour.
To hear the directions, or select hint for a hint.
So my main thing is that you guys are doing this every single day, and that you are completing a lesson, and on the lesson at the very end, you will see this thing that says assignment complete. That means that you have fully completed the assignment and that your work is done for the day. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I would be happy to answer anything that you have. Thank you.